Hi Veggie Fit families, it's Dr. Yami and welcome to Veggie Fit Kids. Many parents often ask me what their babies should be drinking after they're weaned from the breast. Well, it depends. For all babies under 12 months of age, they should either be drinking breast milk or formula. If you are unable to breastfeed or have chosen not to breastfeed and are still making a decision about what formula to feed your baby, the best options, in my opinion, are either a soy formula or a hypoallergenic formula, such as Nutramigen or Alimentum. At this point, there isn't a fully plant-based vegan formula out there for babies, so this is the best choice we have available. For babies that are over a year, if you've been breastfeeding, many mommies naturally wean between 12 and 18 months of age. At that point, your baby should be eating solid foods 3 times a day with some snacks. And once you wean from breast milk, it's fine to just continue to eat and drink water the majority of the time. Water should be your child's primary beverage after 1 year of age. Now, it's completely fine to give plant-based milks, but I recommend giving it with a meal, and I also recommend choosing a plant-based milk that is unsweetened. One of my favorites would be an unsweetened soy milk. Soy milk is a little bit higher in calories, so if that's something that you desire for your child, that might be a good choice. However, I do want parents to know that I am not depending on any milk to be the main nutrition source for your child. After a child is 1, they should be eating a variety of plant foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, and nuts and seeds. For some babies that have smaller appetite and eat smaller amounts of food, you may want to concentrate on foods that are more calorie rich, such as avocados or nut and seed butters, and definitely get those beans in. Now, if your child has never been breastfed and you want to start with a formula from the beginning, like I said, I would choose a soy or hypoallergenic formula. However, if you're watching this video and your baby's already on a different formula and they are doing well, I would just continue on that till they're 1, and then after the age of 1, you can wean them off the bottle. What I tell my patients in my office is between 12 and 13 months is the time that I wean babies off the bottle, so that by the time they're 13 months of age, they are no longer on a bottle and they are drinking their fluids through a cup. And it can either be a sippy cup or a cup with a straw. And like I said, the primary beverage for your child should be water, and they should be getting their calories and vitamins and nutrition from their food. If you are raising your child on a fully plant-based or vegan diet, I do recommend that they get a B12 supplement. You can do a daily supplement either through a multivitamin or a B12 supplement. I have a separate video on this, but I usually recommend, if it's going to be an isolated B12 supplement, that it be 500 micrograms per day. In addition, for most parts of the country, vitamin D is also recommended on a daily basis for children, 400 to 600 international units per day. So those are my tips for what your toddler should be eating after they turn 1 or before they turn 1. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, comment below, and share. And I will see you in the next video. Have a plantastic day. Past that may not be quite as helpful. And that's why it's important to understand what natural selection really means. What does it mean? Remember, it's not perfection, it's not harmony, it's good enough, okay? So how is it not helpful to know about our past? Well, we know that as humans, we are omnivores, which is great. We can survive in all kinds of crazy and wild conditions. We do. We survive all over the world, sub-zero crazy temperatures, super hot deserts. We are amazing. Humans are amazing. Our bodies are amazing. However, knowing that we can and did eat certain foods, such as meat, for survival, won't necessarily help us If our current